Thanks for staying with TVC News. The chairman of the third phase of the presidential amnesty program, Elias Laban, has called for increased teamwork to improve the Niger Delta area. He pointed out that certain negative stories on social media are meant to distract the effort of the agency. Joseph Kunde has the details.
14 years ago, the Niger Delta region witnessed unrest where several oil pipelines were destroyed. Then the government arrested some of those responsible. Recently, reactions to those bombings have stirred controversy, particularly linking Dennis Otuaro, the current administrator of the Presidential Amnesty Program. But these accusations has not gone down well with some key players in the Niger Delta. I met with the chairman of the third phase of the amnesty program at his office in Yenagoa, where he shared his thoughts on disregarding false information.
This thing happened 14 years back. He has no idea of this whole thing. You people did what he did 14 years back. Now you are blaming somebody that somebody leaked your document. How did he leak your document? Because you saw his picture in the cover page. He now attributed that it is Dennis Otuaro that is doing this. The man has not done anything wrong. Don't come and tell the NSA, don't come and tell the security agents that they should come and investigate him. Investigating for nothing.
While calling on the amnesty administrator to continue skills development in the region, the chairman also called for more support from key players instead of the pulling down syndrome being portrayed.
This Chief Dennis Otuaro, he has been a man of the struggle. He has been on the creek. He's a very learned man too. So he knows what and what that is very good for this program. If the governors and the well-meaning job people comes to his aid, follow him, assist him, all hands on deck, help him to see how this program can achieve peace and development, also empowerment to our people. They should come and do that.
Under Dennis Otuaro's leadership, the Presidential Amnesty Program has actively involved women, youths, ex-agitators and traditional leaders in the area. This effort is crucial for the future of the region. Joseph Kunde, TVC News, Yenagoa.
The Minister of State for Defense, Bello Matawalle, said the federal government has finalized arrangements to establish 3 additional military formations in the eastern zone of Sokoto to tackle the security challenges. The minister stated this during the tour of communities where military operations against banditry are ongoing in the eastern senatorial district of Sokoto State.
The President has graciously approved the procurement of CNG vehicles to the northwest. The CNG vehicle will immediately be deployed to Sokoto for onward transmissions to other states in the northwest. And a refueling center of the CNG will be established here in Sokoto.
To hand over additional 10 vehicles, 8 buffaloes and 2 healers for this special operation. Distinguished audience, I want to use this opportunity to inform Mr. President and my brother, the Honorable Minister, and the good people of Sokoto State on my administration determination to work with security operators in the state to flush out terrorists, bandits, and other criminal gang.
Despite progress in some areas, the Nigerian girl child continues to face numerous barriers to her well-being and future. To commemorate global efforts directed at empowering the girl child, especially in technology, bold actions are being taken in different parts of Lagos State to promote inclusion and close gender gaps in digital technology access. There's more in this report.
You can always make amends.
Today's generation of girls are disproportionately affected by global crisis of climate, conflict, poverty and pushback on hard-won gains for human rights and gender equality. Despite several advocacies, too many girls are still denied their rights, restricting their choices and limiting their future. Millions of children in Nigeria, 60% of whom are girls, are out of school. This stark figure reveals the disparity and highlights the urgent need for interventions that prioritize the girl child in education and beyond. Being a girl child should not come at a cost. This is at the heart of UNICEF's message to every child as it commemorates the International Day of the Girl Child. In the Alimosho area of Lagos State, Association of Lady Pharmacists, Lagos chapter, seeks to encourage digital literacy in girls and end the setback women encounter in technology-driven opportunities.
We want to ensure that these young minds are given the right environment, the right opportunity for them to develop themselves in the digital age.
But what we are telling them is take the positive out of the technology, and they are empowered intrinsically and extrinsically. So when they have this, they can reach anywhere.
Meanwhile, in the Agege area of Lagos State, the African Women Lawyers Association took the celebration to secondary schools across the state to educate young girls on their rights and how to seek help when these rights are infringed upon.
There's a slogan that says, you have a girl child, you have a nation. You have a woman, you have a nation. So when you train one girl child, you have virtually trained a nation. Because from her we birth so many things.
We have so many cases in court that we've had judgments on for the girl child, either when they are defiled, especially, you know what defilement is. Defilement is different from rape. Defilement is for a younger child, you know. And then we have a lot of them now, prevalent in the society. And we have come out as an organization to fight this norm, to fight this, evil that is going on.
A commitment to championing and investing in the world's girls and young women who form part of the largest youth population in history is key in driving creative solutions to global challenges and propelling the nation towards a more equitable, safe, resilient, and free future.
Governor of Enugu State, Peter Mbas, reaffirmed the commitment of his administration to improve healthcare service delivery as well as improving medical emergency management. The state governor made this public at the training of Federal Road Safety on First Aid and CPR training. The governor, represented by the Special Advisor on Health Matters, reaffirms the state government's commitment to deliver quality health care to the people by providing hospitals with state-of-the-art facilities and training of members of the Road Safety Corps on essential life-saving skills for effective emergency response.
It's a synergy between the state government, Enugu State, and the Federal Road Safety Corps Nigeria. Of course, what that has done is to strengthen or to boost the knowledge of the FRC personnel in terms of rescue mission.
So this particular training has really impacted us, that's added to what we knew before. And then towards this Ember month that we are preparing for the end of the year Ember month, I think my men are better placed now to know what to do, effective CPR.
The President Association of Dental Technologists of Nigeria, Stephen Eyarefe, has asked members to embark on research and evidence-based practices that will enhance dental technology and patient care delivery. Stephen Eyarefe was delivering a lecture at the Obafemi Awolowo University Teaching Hospital Complex in Ile-Ife. Rafiu Hamid has the details.
Beyond regulated brushing, many Nigerians do not prioritize oral health except in severe conditions such as pain or discomfort. This is not unconnected with inadequate oral health education and socio-economic challenges that limit ability to afford proper dental treatment in the country. At this annual conference themed "The Role of Advocacy and Politics in Dental Technology Practice in Nigeria," urgent need to educate the public on the importance of dental technologies in healthcare leads the discussion.
It is a way of sensitizing our members on how to advocate for the profession. And this will impact positively about the leadership and how we evaluate our professionals on how fair they are aware about how to put the profession on the high tone to be at par with other professions in the health sector.
They stress the need to improve healthcare delivery to undeserved populations and promote programs and policies that will reduce health disparities. Leadership of the association believes the knowledge from the conference will help to develop skills in advocacy, policy making and leadership, thereby positioning dental technologies for influential roles in healthcare.
We are trying to go on advocacy and politics of selling out the dental technology profession to people who are not aware about the role of dental technology in healthcare delivery. Because we want to bring it down to the grassroots. That was why we are here in Ife, so that people that do not know much about dental technology practice, they should be able to know the dental technology practice. As well as know that they should also know the role of dental technologies in healthcare delivery.
Workers' welfare, facility improvement and occupational safety were among recommendations highlighted to address mass emigration of health workers.
Most of our members have left the country to look for greener pasture. So the way forward is that the government should try as much as possible to improve the welfare of dental technology practice in Nigeria.
Want dental technologies to be integrated into the primary healthcare system. Rafiu Hamid, TVC News.